Welcome to VeriDocSign. Top 4 features for you. Free trial. Now enjoy a 10-day free trial and test VeriDocSign for yourself. Rollover envelopes. Not a single wasted envelope, because every penny matters. Any unused envelopes roll over to the next month. Unlimited users. Buy a single account and assign unlimited users. Yes, you heard that right. No credit card credentials required. A free trial doesn't always mean getting your card details. Try VeriDocSign without parting with any sensitive info. We care about your online safety. Visit the website today. Thank you. Happy signing!